Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to add Setmore to your Squarespace website. First, go to Integrations on the left-hand side of Setmore, scroll down to Squarespace under Website Booking, and click Instructions. Then, click Copy Code. Next, open your Squarespace editor and go to the Pages tab. Select the page where you want your Book Now button, for example, the home page, and click Edit. Choose the spot where you want the button, click Add Block, and select Embed. Move the embed block to your preferred location, double-click it, choose Code Snippet, then Embed Data, and paste the code you copied from Setmore. Click Out or Back, and you'll see the Book Now button appear. Save your changes, exit the editor, and preview the page. Clicking the button will open the Setmore booking pop-up. I hope this helped. If it did, please subscribe to help me and see you in the next one.